Do you need to type the degree symbol on your iPhone but can't find it anywhere on the keyboard? It's actually hidden and really easy to use once you know where to look. This is perfect for typing temperatures, angles, or anything that needs the degree symbol. First, open any app where you can type, like Notes, Messages, or even Safari. Tap on the text field to bring up your keyboard. Next, tap the 123 button in the bottom left corner to switch to the numbers and symbols layout. Now look for the number 0 on the keyboard. Press and hold the 0 key for a second. You'll see a small pop-up appear with the degree symbol. Slide your finger to the degree symbol, then release to insert it into your text. And just like that, the degree symbol will appear wherever you're typing. You can repeat this anytime you need it. It works the same way across most apps on your iPhone. This method works on pretty much all iPhones and iOS versions, so you don't need any extra settings or apps. And that's it. That's how you type the degree symbol on your iPhone keyboard. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.